Struggling with a mess of cables around? Tired of connectivity issues in conference rooms? Well, Specktron has just the right solution for you. The new eHub HDMI Wireless Display System allows you to stream high-definition content and videos. eHub's mirroring technology connects the HDMI-supported smart devices like laptops to any output device like LED displays. Using eHub is as easy as plug in the receiver to any screen or projector, connect the transmitter to a laptop or a smart device, and you are ready to go with the click of a button. The Specktron eHub is perfectly suited for meetings, training rooms, classrooms, or at your home. No wires, no hassle, no software installations. Enjoy the wireless connectivity with Specktron eHub. Get yours now. Visit specktron.com. Experience the future with Specktron.